Alright guys, so today is May 13, almost 12 p.m. So today we're going on a food tour. Today we're going to St. Lawrence Market. It is ranked number one best food market in the world by National Geographic. Last 2012. I'm not sure if it still holds the record, but yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's windy, it's sunny, and it's quite chilly. So that's like perfect combination for a good day. So yeah, see you later. Hello. So right now we're at St. Lawrence Market, and like the other food vlogs that I did, we're going to look for food, and I'm going to put a stamp if I approve it or I dislike it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So for this one, this is rated number one food hall in the world. Not sure if it still stands, but yeah, it's one. I've been to a lot of food halls before, food markets in Spain, in Italy. I really like it because like it's like street food but in a whole big place, so that's kind of like nice. So here they specializes. They have this called this pea meal bacon. So it's lean bacon. It's a Canadian specialty, and also other food here. Toronto is a very diverse city, lots of cultures around, so I'm expecting there'll be mixed Asian food also, or mixed European. So yeah, see you guys inside. So for the first stop, yeah, my family just went straight to the pea meal bacon. So yeah, this is the pea meal bacon. I'm here with my family to share the food because yeah, we really like to try a lot. But yeah, this is the stall for the pea meal bacon. I think there are other stalls, but yeah, this is one of the most let's say famous for it. All right, guys. So this is the pea meal bacon. So let me open up. So alright guys, this is a pea meal bacon. It is a sandwich with the pea meal bacon on it. There is condiments like mustard, ketchup inside, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So the pea meal bacon is the main highlight of this sandwich, and it's a lean bacon which covered in cornmeal. So yeah, let's say pea meal bacon. So yeah, the pea meal bacon, I really like it. I mean, like, it has a lot of mustard. The mustard is overwhelming, but the bacon is not really that fat. It's very lean, so it's not that greasy as you expect. But also, it really goes well with the sandwich. So yeah, pea meal bacon, this is worth the hype. It's a lot for this sandwich. Yeah, it's kind of like expensive in a way that it's $7 or $8. So yeah. Pea meal bacon, highly recommend. Right, so after the pea meal bacon, right now we're on the way to the pasta. So this is a very famous pasta place, and also they serve pizza. So yeah. So for here, they make their pasta fresh. So as you can see here, you can actually see them make the pasta.
Mango sauce and pesto with tomato. You want me to use the red meat or tomato?
Red meat.
Both of them, right?
Yes.
Alright, so for here, you can have them. You can order the cooked one and then you can eat it here, or you can order the uncooked one and eat it at your house. So what's nice about actually eating, going on a food tour with your family is that you can actually share everything. You can get a bite of everything and then just share it. So so we got the meat ravioli, and the spaghettini. So basically, the spaghettini is the basic spaghetti that you can. For some reason, I kind of saw a green noodle from the spaghettini, so I'm not sure if that's a pesto base or something like that. And yeah, this is a meat ravioli. So basically, and ravioli is a pasta that has meat inside. This is square pasta. So yeah. So we had a choice of a cheese or meat. So we opted for the meat. Yeah, for the sauce, white sauce, pesto, and the tomato sauce all in one pasta. So, all right. So first one is the spaghettini. So yeah, they didn't actually hold off with the sauce, so it's kind of quite saucy. And like I said, there's a green noodle. Yeah, there's a green noodle, so I'm not sure what that is. I guess it's vegetable noodle spaghettini. Mm. So I really like it. So for the spaghettini, most likely the sauce will be the same with the meat ravioli. So yeah, the noodle is kind of quite firm, which is kind of like okay. The sauce is sweet. Yeah, it's not the the authentic Italian sweet sauce, which is like a very tomatoey, not sweet sauce. But yeah, I guess with the combination with the pesto and the white sauce, yeah, that made it sweet. But it's not bad. I mean, like it's so good. Highly recommended. So I'm going to try right now is the meat ravioli. So this is the meat ravioli. It has the same sauce with our spaghettini. As you can see here, there is the pesto sauce, the white sauce, the cheese on top, and yeah, this is ravioli, meat ravioli. So a pasta with meat inside. So yeah, we'll see. Meat ravioli. Wait, yeah, the meat ravioli is way better than the spaghettini. The meat inside was as a nice surprise. It's different from the tomato meat that you get. I really like it. So for me, if you're going to eat here, get the meat ravioli than the spaghettini. But yeah, spaghettini is quite good. Firm noodles, perfect combination of the sauce and all. So yeah, but yeah, I really like the meat ravioli. Alright, so St. Lawrence Market is actually two floors. There's a basement floor where they have fresh produce. Actually, they have a lot. So they have fresh fruit shakes, crepes. They have everything here, you name it. From vegetables to meat to cooked sour cream, cabbage, yeah, everything. They have everything here. So, like this one, as you can see, the European delight. So, yeah, it's quite interesting to be here. So yeah, they have this juice bar, and yeah, vegan food, souvenir shops, Italian food. Oh, they also have maple syrup. And yeah, desserts. Right, so after the very heavy pasta, we're kind of like looking for desserts. So yeah, as you can see here, they have chocolates, macarons, cookies, tarts, cakes. Yeah, you name it, they have it. So we're going to order this Nanaimo bar. Right there. So we're gonna order this Nanaimo bar. So my sister said that it's a Canadian dessert. So yeah. Alright, so this is a Nanaimo bar. It's a 3-layer brownie, I guess. So I'm not quite sure what's inside. But yeah, it looks packed and heavy. So alright. Nanaimo bar for dessert. Alright, for the second thing is the what's this? Butter pecan tart. Yeah, butter pecan tart. Alright, let's go. I really like the Nanaimo bar. No, here the Nanaimo bar. It's chocolate. I don't know what's in the middle, the white one, and then under is the coconut brownie stuff. So like, it's so good. The the butter pecan tart also is quite good, but it's kind of heavy. I, I I I took a bite of the tart, and yeah. So the pecan tart has the like apple tart in the middle, and the pecan. So yeah. The tart was quite nice also, but I cannot actually taste much of the pecan. Yeah, it's so good. It's like apple pie, but with pecan. Like I said earlier, they literally have everything here. Um, they have the sushi, Japanese sushi, teriyaki, bento box. So yeah, Japanese. So here they have Greek, the taste of Greek, souvenir shops, Italian sandwich shops. Yeah, they're like I said, they pretty much covered everything here. They even have caviar. Alright, that's pretty much it for us here at St. Lawrence Market. We only ate a little. We didn't actually eat a lot of varieties, but yeah, we got full from the pasta. We didn't expect it to be that heavy, but yeah, we got to eat the pea meal bacon, the pasta, and some desserts, and everything was like approved. We were supposed to actually try another famous sandwich. It's a lobster roll. Is highly recommended, but the line was quite long, and we didn't have time since we have a schedule at 2 p.m. for the CN Towers. So yeah. So yeah, guys, if it's your first time here in Toronto, I highly recommend you to try and go here on an empty stomach. Go here on a weekday because on weekends it's packed, or during the dinner or lunchtime. So yeah, St. Lawrence Market actually lived off its hype. It's very very sulit to go here. So yeah, St. Lawrence Market approved.